You define life by the choices you make, the potential you see, the steps you take toward having impact. What we do matters. What you do matters. This is where the work you do touches profound wonders, travels the country to connect us to one another, reaches high into the atmosphere, and watches from the end zone. We are 1,600 global go-getters, can-doers, get-it-doners, bold seers of potential and makers of making it happen. We are energetic people who see red tape and the status quo as enemies of ingenuity. Yes, for over 70 years, we've made innovative sprayers and equipment, but this is not what we do. We are an organization like no other, uniquely established for the good of others. Here, the profit of your work goes beyond metal and machinery to helping the hearts and humanity of families in need in our communities, and is reinvested back into our own employees and innovation. You can choose to go to work for your life, or choose to go where your life's work has real impact, where your ideas, bright and bold, are welcomed with, "Let's try," where your opinions are heard and change is always for the better. Life is defined by our choices, and we choose to believe that transforming a surface has the power to transform the world. We are Wagner.